as I was going to Ballinure. The day I will remember, for the view the lads and lasses on the 5th day of November, with the ring-a-doo-a-day, with the ring-a-doo-a-daddy-o. And as I was going along the road, and homeward I was walking, sure I heard a wee lad behind the ditch, and to his wee lass was talking, oh, with a ring-a-doo-a-day, with a ring-a-doo-a-daddy-o. Says they wee lad to they wee lass, and will you let me kiss ye? For it's kissing is the cordial that far exceeds the whiskey, oh, with a ring-a-doo-a-day, with a ring-a-doo-a-daddy-o. This cordial that they talk about, there's very few them gets it, for there's nothing now but crooked combs and muslin gowns can catch it, with a ring-a-doo-a-day, with a ring-a-doo-a-daddy-o. And as I was going along the road, and homeward I was walking, sure I heard a wee lad behind the ditch, and to his wee lass was talking, oh, with a ring-a-doo-a-day, with a ring-a-doo-a-daddy-o.
lass and her name is Mary Mac, and make no mistake, she's the girl I'm gonna track. Lots of other fellas try to get her on her back, but I'm thinking that I'll have to get a birdie. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, for Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. How you lily at little dum. Now Mary and her mother are an awful lot together. In fact, they're hard to see the one without the other, and people often wondered if it's Mary or her mother or both of them together I'm courting. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, for Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. How you lily at little dum. Well, up among the heather in the hills of Benefee, well, I had a buddy lass, mummy me, a bumblebee stung me right above me knee. Up among the heather in the hills of Benefee, Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, for Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. How you lily at little love. Well, I saw a bonny lassie, where you gonna spend the day? She said among the heather in the hills of Benefee, where all the boys and girls are making us a free. Oh, in the heather in the hills of Benefee, Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, for Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. How you lily at little love. be the most arranged. Marriage is an awful undertaking. Marry Mac Smalls making Marry Mac marry me.
My mother's making me Mary Mac.
Well, I'm gonna marry Mary from me, Mary St. Caroline. Will always be the Mary when I marry Mac. Sure to be a grand for grand and that affair. Gonna be a fork plate, every man is there. And I'll be a bugger if I don't get much share. But don't be very much mistaken. Marry Mac Smalls making Marry Mac marry me.
My mother's making me Mary Mac.
Well, I'm gonna marry Mary from me, Mary St. Caroline. Will always be the Mary when I marry Mac. And her name is Mary Mac. Make no mistakes, she's the girl I'm gonna attract. Lots of other fellas trying to get up on her back. I'm thinking that I'll have to get a birdie. Mary Mac Smalls making Mary Mac marry me.
My mother's making me Mary Mac.
Well, I'm gonna marry Mary from the Mary St. Caroline. Will always feel the Mary when I marry Mac. How you lily out of the land of the love. How you lily out of the land of the love. How you lily out of the land of the love.
Yeah.
Whoops. Yeah, I hear Dad coming. No more fun when Dad shows up.
What the hell's going on out here?
We put stickers on the back of your bike, Dad.
Bear Country USA?
Wally World.
I would put a Wally World sticker on.
I would love it. If I found one, I would put one on. That'd be a great thing.
My sister's trying to find one of the